When turned on, the rear cross traffic alert function is operational when the vehicle is in reverse, with a speed of less than approximately 8 kilometers per hour, and a vehicle larger than a small motorbike is approaching within the monitored area at a speed between approximately 8 and 28 kilometers per hour. The rear cross traffic alert function detects vehicles approaching laterally from the right rear or left rear of the vehicle and advises the driver accordingly if it judges that another vehicle may intersect with its own path. It does so by flashing the exterior side view mirror blind spot monitor indicator lights and simultaneously sounding a buzzer mounted in the rear cabin space. To give the driver more time to react, the buzzer can alert for faster moving vehicles from farther away. The rear cross traffic alert function will not react to vehicles or objects that are stationary within the approach zone or to vehicles that are moving away.